Welcome to the One Mind Dharma Mindfulness for Beginners playlist, or welcome back if you've been listening. My name is Matthew Sokolov, and I want to talk just a little bit today about this idea of just observing experience. One of the things I see with many of my students in one on one sessions is some difficulty just observing. We have a tendency as we begin to meditate or practice mindfulness, some of us, many of us, to want to figure things out, to analyze. And often this comes from a wholesome place. There's a desire for understanding, there's a desire for wisdom or clear comprehension. And what happens is we sit and we observe experience and we kind of want something more. There's some craving for some real understanding, some insight. And it actually gets in the way of our practice. We're leaning towards something, we're feeding craving in such a way that it can often prevent us from seeing clearly. My encouragement is to be with whatever's present in front of you. If what's present is boredom or it's stillness and ease, be with it. If what's present is a calm mind or a monkey mind, be with it. The reason for this is that as we continue to observe repeatedly, we build an understanding, a felt sense of how the mind and experience work. If we're always intervening and trying to get something out of meditation, we're not observing the mind in its natural state. We're putting kind of a lens over it, this lens of craving, of wanting. So let the mind and experience do its thing. Give it space to just behave how it behaves. Return to the idea of just observing, just watching, just listening. When the mind does go into over analyzing or the figuring it out or problem solving mode, observing that, recognizing what's happening, recognizing how it feels, recognizing any judgment that comes up. But the core practice is to just observe whatever's arising and passing. To do so with what's called clear comprehension, so trying to see clearly what is actually happening. And as we continue to observe, we begin to get a sense of impermanence, a sense of the fluidity of experience and interdependence, how one experience leads to the next, how mental states impact how we perceive things. But we have to actually just look and pay attention without intervening all the time. So that's my encouragement to you today with your practice. Just observe. Don't get in the middle of it. Just observe. If you want to practice with us, you can visit oneminddharma.com/groups. We have a free or donation-based weekly sitting group there. We also have a free month-long meditation program, a month of mindfulness to help you build a daily practice. And as always, don't forget you can reach out to me with any questions at matthew@oneminddharma.com.